Welcome to Tofino, British Columbia. Tofino's known for its rugged coastline, beautiful beaches, outdoor adventures, and laid-back surfer vibes. Matt and I will be exploring the town over the next few days and bringing you along for the adventure. We just checked into Hotel Zed. This place is super unique and has a really cool retro vibe. Let me show you guys around. On our first night, we ate dinner at Roar, which is located on site at Hotel Zed. The food was absolutely incredible. We ordered the chuck burger and the brown sugar pork chop, and they did not disappoint. Ready? After dinner, we headed to Chesterman Beach, which was located across the street from the hotel, to watch the sunset. We've just arrived at the Tonquin Beach trailhead. Let's go check it out. If you're looking for an easy, relaxing nature walk, this trail is perfect for you. It's about 2.3 miles round trip with just over 300 feet of elevation gain. The trail winds through old growth forests, offering several beautiful viewpoints and access to 3 different beaches to explore. We finished our hike and it was time for lunch. Originally, we wanted to check out Tofino, but it was a holiday weekend and the line was insane. So we stopped by the Wildside grill. We ordered the chicken burger and fish and chips. Both were excellent. The only downside was that there were a lot of crows in the area that were ready to snatch your food if you weren't careful. Located next to the Wildside Grill is Tofitian Cafe and Bakery. We stopped by for an afternoon pick-me-up. It's a great place to grab a quick breakfast, and they also have an assortment of pastries. If you're craving something sweet, then be sure to check out Chocolate Tofino. They're known for their handcrafted chocolates, gelato, and homemade treats. We stopped here on multiple occasions to indulge in their delicious gelato. We just got back from checking out the barrel sauna. It's really peaceful in there. It has a large window that looks out into the forest. Definitely recommend checking it out if you decide to stay at this hotel. Anyways, we're back at the room, having a little downtime. I picked up these earlier from the store. I got a vodka sour raspberry and a hard cream soda. So we're gonna have a drink. There's a bunch of games around the resort. I saw a ping pong table. We're gonna go check that out. Dinner at JeJu was a highlight on our trip to Tofino. The restaurant is small, so I would definitely recommend making a reservation ahead of time. We ordered the galbi, which is a 35-day aged short rib dinner for two, served with various side dishes. While the food was a little pricey, it was absolutely delicious and we would definitely visit again. The next morning, Matt was still asleep, so I decided to explore more of the hotel. I took the short trail at the back of the property that winds through the forest to reach the Tofino Inlet. We didn't have much time, so we grabbed a quick coffee and breakfast burrito at Roar, and then we were off to the Tofino Resort and Marina for an epic adventure. So the boat ride was about 90 minutes, and now we have about a 30-minute walk until we get to the hot springs. When we reached the end of the trail, we found changing rooms where we prepared for our soak. We headed down the stairway to discover several hot spring pools and even a waterfall. We spent about an hour and a half relaxing in the springs. The water felt amazing and the ocean views were absolutely stunning. Then we changed back into our dry clothes and retraced our steps along the trail to meet our captain back at the boat. This was such an incredible experience. If you're visiting Tofino in the near future, definitely consider planning a visit to Hot Springs Cove. On our last night, we ate dinner at Shelter. If it's a nice day, I would recommend grabbing a seat on the patio so you can take in the views. We ordered the Tofino Surf Bowl and Farmhouse Chicken Burger, and they were both fantastic. On the way back to the hotel, we stopped at the local distillery. We ordered 2 different flights, and the psychedelic jellyfish absinthe that they are known for was our favorite. That wraps up our trip to Tofino. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.